Alright guys, you are welcome to another episode or today's section of do it yourself mini importation. And of course I have something very unique and beautiful for you guys. So if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, this is a family. Zionhublogistics is a family. You can do well to join my community. Reach me on any issues. We discuss money, mini importation, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and all that. Guys, subscribe. It is free. Please, as you're watching that video, just like that button, please. So guys, I decided to record something that is not common online and you can hardly see it online. So I did a research, a very huge research, and I discovered that we can actually use pay for me services on Taobao. Of course, before now I've recorded a video regarding 1688 Alipay, different videos, and in today's edition I found out that a lot of people, or average of people, are dealing with this issue of Alipay randomly. They hardly get international passports to verify their Alipay account, and this has become very rampant and issue. It has caused a lot of issues. So I now decided to make a research that how can we pay, how can we make payments without having a verified Alipay account. So I now, with enough of research, I later come with a conclusion on how we can do it. And honestly, for me, I have practiced it and it has worked. Believe me, it has worked. So in what I want to show you now, if you don't have Alipay at all, you can buy on Taobao with this simple method I want to show you. If you have an Alipay, your Alipay is fully verified but it's not connected and you don't know how to buy it, this method is definitely going to work for you. Thirdly, if your Alipay is not connected to your Taobao account, I have a video, go and watch it. You can find it up here or you check it in the description of this video. Fourthly, if you want someone else to pay for you, you don't want to use an exchanger, you don't want to use anybody to, you don't want them to chop your profit and all that, this video is for you. And I don't want you to fast forward so you won't get to mix things, because I discuss is a breakdown. Honestly, it's a breakdown. That's why I need you to subscribe, to encourage me to keep on doing this research. It's not easy to do a research show. Honestly, we take our time, we don't sleep, we make a lot of research. So please encourage me to do more by liking the video, give me a lot of comments, then subscribe. If this is your first time, please subscribe. So if you don't have an Alipay, you want to pay on Taobao, this video is for you, as I've said before. So I'll see you in I'll be sharing my screen with you now to see how it works. Guys, honestly, it works. I've tried it, it works. So it will just be in form of you making a payment on behalf of someone if you have a verified Alipay account. And before you use these services, what I need you to understand is you are to contact someone that wants to pay for you. Maybe your friend, your colleague, your importation master. Contact the person, tell them that you want to send a option of Taobao pay for me. It's going to show in the person's Alipay notification that this guy is trying to help you pay for, is requesting you to pay on his behalf. So you just send the equivalent of that RMB to that person. So once you send it, you are good to go, guys. The person will just click it and is going to pay directly. And more benefit about this thing, do you know it? The benefit is that the person is going to have access, like you yourself, your Taobao, you are going to see the logistic details, including the tracking number, when the goods is to be delivered, the routing that the transit is in presently. You are going to see everything yourself. So it's as good as you make the payment yourself. So let me share the screen with you now and watch the video completely. Thank you, guys. So this is my Taobao account. You can see right here that I have different things up here. So let's just make use of I think we should just buy something nice. I'm not buying something today, but let me just play around with this and see if we could have something nice. Okay, I love sneakers. I don't just know why. I see these sneakers, I don't know if it is a polish. Let's click on it. So clicking on it takes us here. You can watch my previous video. I've already recorded video on how to create Taobao account with your mobile number, how to link it, and how to create by you linking your Alipay directly. Then how you can chat your customer, how to chat Taobao customer care representative. Then how you can also add your shipping address. I'll be linking the description of the videos. I'll be linking it under the description of this video. So let's assume I'm buying this product here. I've already checked out everything. The review is nice, the quality is nice, and I love everything. So what I want to do is to come here and buy. Remember, we want to just make payment without having a Alipay account. And how do we go about this? You can see that under this location I have my warehouse address. If you want to change, you can just click on this arrow here to change or add a new one. So let's continue. Then let me say I want to buy this one, just single. If you want to buy twice, I click here, then scroll down. You can see that I have, as my payment method, I have Alipay here. In some cases you can see debit card, you can also see Alipay. All right, so you stick around with it. Let me click on this this guy in this orange icon here to continue, because we are using our what's it called, our Alipay to make payments, isn't it? So I click on it. Clicking on that will take us here, guys. Clicking on it will take us here. This is where to check out this page. I would have preferred to use my translator, but it will make the video more longer. All right, so I will always like to make a short videos and for you to understand. That's the major goal. So as you are watching, please subscribe. If you are getting value so far, please subscribe. So now this is where you change your payment method here, where you are seeing something like card. You click on this guy here. So clicking on it takes us to these different two pages. So in my coming video now, I'll be recording a video on how you can purchase with your debit card. Yes, it is possible. You can use your debit card to buy things on this website. So research is still going on this. If you have any questions, you want me to run adverts, you want me to do anything for you, reach me live on my Instagram handle at Zionhublogistics, on my Facebook handle Zionhublogistics, on my WhatsApp. You can just do well to message me. I will be there to attend. So what you want to do to make this option possible is to click on this Alipay guy. We select Alipay guy, so it's automatically going to change. All right, so you can see that these settings has already been updated. So here, let me check again. Okay, I check it again. I was expecting it to show. All right, we have it here. Should in case you click it and it's not showing, do well to check it again. Okay, so we have our payment method as Alipay. What we want to do is to continue. All right, so let me just check this box here, then we continue. So I click on continue here. So we wait for this page while it opens our Alipay. Remember, we don't have any Alipay account. What's this guy saying? All right, maybe that's an error there. So let me proceed in buying this item. I click this guy here in this orange icon. So I think that's my internet. That's why it should just take us to this page directly. Okay, so this is where you get to input your card details. All right, if you are in US, Ghana, Australia, Germany, different countries you are watching this video from, if you want to make use of your card, you can just do what to input the card, then you save it here. But in this case, we are not making use of the card, neither our Alipay. Remember, we don't even have an Alipay account. Okay, so what we want to do here is to use Chinese payment method. Okay, so we click on this item here. Clicking on it will take us to where we can request for someone to make payments on our behalf. Now, how do these things work? I'm going to show you guys. At this step I've tried now. Please subscribe. Please, it's free to subscribe. And as you are subscribing, like it. Once you like that video, it to order, they will know that you guys are getting value there. That is why you are liking it. So please, let's both of us win together. So let's continue, guys. At this point now, I will have to use my translator, although we are making use of this second option here. But I want you guys to understand everything I will be doing in this video, because I won't like the situation whereby you saying this guy have start with his magic again. He always do magic. He will do video now, I will go and try it will not work. No, I will always make myself clean and plain before you guys, because I don't give a false information. That will be the last thing Zion would never do. Okay, so let's screenshot this page, then go to our Google Translator. Let me click okay, let me just bring this down. Okay, so why I open my Google Translator here, this is a very nice guy. It has been helping us to translate this Chinese of 18, or how on net would we even have access to this Chinese everything. So you click on camera, guys, click on camera, then you click here, then you upload this guy. We are sending this guy a message. Oh yeah, translate it for us. Let's go. The first option says international payment method. So at this stage, Taobao and Alipay believe nearly half of us, or nearly 80% of their customer, does not have access to Alipay in Chinese international version, Chinese or international version. So they believe there will be a lot of complicated things during the process. Okay, so that is why they provide us these different options, and I'm going to take my time to make it clear to you guys on how it works. So what is going to give you the available means that you can use to make payments as an international user, those people using this website outside of China. It's as very simple as that. Okay, so going to the option we want to use for today, which is this guy carrying yuan in the hand. How I wish he could just dash me this yuan. Do you even know that this second option is where we are going? Ask a friend to help you pay. This is what we want to use. It is more like this guy 1688 pay for me option that we use. If you haven't watched that video, guy, you need to watch it. Just click on that drop down arrow under this video. You are going to see the video there. You can also make use of pay for me option. Okay, so let's proceed. So this yuan that this guy is carrying, how I wish he could just give it to me. Give it to me now. Let's use this thing to trade. Give it to me. It's fine. So we are going to be making use of this second option. Okay, so I'm not going to be talking about the other last two options, but you see this last one, this last option, add family card payments, is a very in my comment videos, honestly, that's why you need to subscribe. I'm coming with something unique this time around. Trust me when I say something unique. Okay, so this guy, okay, don't I don't want to form Zion. Kai, stop. Okay, let's go back to our Taobao account and make use of this second option here, which is the business of the day. So this is the guy. We click on this first arrow. You see what I'm clicking now, this one, which is the second option. We click on this guy here. So clicking on this guy will take us to this page. Okay, this is where we get to request for someone to pay for us. Now at this stage, you will inform the person that you want to use his Alipay, that guy, come, I want to use your Alipay to make a payment to, please, I will send you the equivalent of the RMB. Okay, let's assume you want to buy 9 or 1000 RMB. So the person will just tell you, okay, this is what I will charge you, and I also do the services too. If you want me to just pay for you, follow the instruction. So here, let me screenshot for you to understand. Let me go back to my Google Translator here, then click on this guy here for him to translate for us. All right, guys, so this is what the page look like. Help me pay order info. So we are paying 19.80 yuan. All right, so you can see the actual amount is subject to the payer confirming the payment. Okay, so you can see that this payment is a guaranteed transactions. There is no form of scam, breach of contact, or different sort of insults or stuffs like that. All right, it is guaranteed. So let's move further. So this is where you are going to be inputting your Alipay, the person's Alipay. This is where you are going to be inputting it, where you see enter mobile number, email, friend name to search. Okay, so this is where you are going to be inputting it, the guy Alipay account. So let's go and do that now. I go back to my Taobao. So this search icon here is what you are going to be clicking on it. We open this page, you click on this guy again. Okay, so now in my own case, you know, my Alipay is not tied with this account. Okay, I open this fresh account. If you want me to help you open a Taobao account or 1688 account, this is what I do. Okay, do well to reach me live on my Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. I will do well to interact with you. So I will be using my personal Alipay account in this case. So the person you want to use, I told you can use my services. I can help you pay, and you can also use your friend, your colleagues, your importation coach. Okay, so now I have my email tied with my account. Okay, so once I send this right now, they are going to be notifying me on my Alipay directly that someone is trying to request for this access. So let me send this now, and I'm going to be taking you to my Alipay to see this notification. And before I send, let me quickly show you what I have on my Alipay. All right, so let me open my camera now and see that this is my camera, right? And on this notification, you can see that this is my Alipay. You can see it right here. I have this, and let me come back here, and you can see this as my notification 3 hours ago. Okay, so now let's proceed in doing the transaction. So once I click this blue guy, so you can see that I have this email. Automatically it has confirmed the name on this account, right? So this is the name on the account. So once I click on this guy here, you can see right here. So once I click on this, let me translate for you to see what I'm saying. Let me translate. So you can see that this is what he's trying to say. So I'll click on confirm. So I come back here, then click on confirm. So automatically this notification will be sent to my Alipay account directly. So let's screenshot this page now and see what I'm saying. So I go back to my Google Translator, then upload this guy. So you can see right here that ask Ta to send a family card. It will be more convenient to pay next time. So you can see that we have sent successfully. Ask a friend to help you pay. Sent successfully. So you can see right here. So now let's go back to my Alipay account for you to see what
guys,
I'm
so
saying.
Dive into my screen right now. You can see that I have my Alipay here. So what I want to do now is to come to this message here. Let me refresh for you to see what I'm saying. I'm trying to refresh the page. So I told you that a notification will be sent. So let's try to confirm if we got this notification or not. All right. So this is the previous one. So I come to this messages here, and you can see right here that we have stranger, and you can see the number here, number 1. So we click on this guy here, and this is what we have, guys. This is what we have. So if you want to make the payment, you can easily click on this yuan transfer here. To transfer is to use these 2 payment methods below. Is either you send through red jacket or you send through yuan directly. But a better understanding, I will prefer this yuan here. So once you input it here, you are going to be clicking on the certain amount you want to transfer. So once you click on transfer here, it's going to ask for your payment password. You can see that it's telling me to confirm, so I'll just click on continue. Okay, so once I click on continue right here, if I'm to click this place now to confirm, it's going to ask for my payment password. Let me click on confirm for you to see. So you can see right here, so once I input my payment password, it will be successful directly, but I don't need this item, so I don't have there's no point in buying it directly. Okay, so let me just return back now. I still want to show you something. Let me cancel. So you see this 30 this thing yuan. So let me just screenshot this page. I want to screenshot this page, then show you something. Let me go to my translator. So let me picture search. I click here, then I upload. All right, so you can see that this is the notification that is notifying, please come and help pay 39 yuan. I pick a super blah 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 on Taobao. This is the item, and you can see pay on behalf. You can see the logo of Alipay. All right, so now if you are to click on this item here, it's going to show you the details of the product for you to confirm, for you to see. You can see that this is the details of the item that we are buying, right? So once you make the payment, it's going to be successful directly. So that is how to get it done, guys. It's as very simple as that. So if you are still having any issues regarding this aspect, you can let me know. All right, so if you want me to run your adverts, boost your Facebook posts, I have them available. Come to my DM, we'll talk. All right.
Okay guys, thank you for watching that video. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe. Please, I need more subscribers. Let our family reach 1K. Right, so like that video. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Zion, love you.